Yeah, hey, this is my prototype to PS3 unboxing video. It's a pretty rare game. Oh man, that's rare. That's a pretty big box. Yep. The soundtrack in this video, OB Trice. Cheers. Pretty rare album. This hat. This is Ash from Pokemon. Yeah, this is his hat. That's pretty rare. Alright, let's unbox this bad boy. Whoa. Classified. Rare. Let me just show you more the box art. Whoa, it's pretty shiny. Yeah, fair few features in this rare game. Collector's edition. JB Hi-Fi had it posted to me. Thank you, Australia Post. Rare postage. Whoa. Whoa. Look at this. Hey? Damn. I think this is the cover art. It's the art book. Damn. Now I can't show you all of this because it'd actually break copyright laws. But yeah, this is pretty rare. Wow. Oh wow. Cannot wait to play this game. Wow. Oh my god. This must be the game. Wow. I think he's using multiple weapons there. That's pretty rare. Wow. Oh my god. See? Limited edition. Just gotta let the camera focus there for you. Yeah. Oh wow, coupons. Oh, I can't let you see the coupon code. Oh wow, what could this be? Oh, prototype soundtrack. Great. So yeah, in the end, a lot of rare material in this rare game. I can't wait to play it.